Draw closer because this is the industry secret. There is a platform called Today, we are talking about making money online while we sleep. And you heard me right. Yes. Because some of us are princesses, but still, we want to build a bank account. And that's where the passive income idea comes in. Now, today's video is really juicy because I don't only have 5 passive income ideas, nor do I have 7 or 10. I have 14 passive income ideas and I love all 14 of them. But number 5, number 10, and number 12 are those passive income ideas that you want to share with your best friend and your family. Listen, all the money we left online in 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, we are not doing that going forward. So make sure you watch this video till the end to get the most value out of it. If you want to join the winning team, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell, and most especially click on that like button so that I will know that these are the kind of content you all want me to be creating for you.
I know you're scared, you wanna hide away sometimes. I know you heard from everyone telling you lies.
Number 1, look at this pair of socks right here. Look at this blanket right here. What do they have in common? Artwork, right? Some people in this community and in this country are good at artwork. When others are sleeping, they actually go to their bed and start drafting or crafting artwork. And after that, they actually put under their closet where nobody can see it. Really? Some other people are actually getting to the bank every other day from a platform like Society6. Now, Society6 is a platform that allows people to sell their artwork to be used on mugs, on socks, on fabrics, and even on paintings. And all you have to do is upload your stuff on this platform, and then you can sit on your couch drinking your glass of wine while you receive payment every other second into your bank account. Number 2 on our list is the subscription box. This is a great business model, and there is still so much to exploit on this, so much room for growth. But I understand that some of us are not trying to do all the things that involves running a full-fledged business. We are trying to have something as a side job to supplement our 9-to-5 job. Yeah, I get it. So that's why I had to search more, and I found a passive income idea for this. Yes, and here is the platform. This platform is called 𝐄𝐍𝐶, and they do all the work for you. It's actually a marketplace, so you do not have to look for customers who have to buy your subscription box. You can make a getaway soon subscription box for people in the hospital or for new moms. Whatever you want to do, that's your business, but you can get a back path by using the platform like 𝐄𝐍𝐶. Where are those that are good at words? I think that came out right. If you are a person in a group who writes everything for everyone, you have a great speech, you help people to write and text to their friends, and you get everything right, do you know that you can monetize that? That is a talent, so don't put that to waste. You can actually help companies to put great words on greeting cards on platforms like Greeting Card Universe. Number 4, we actually talked about this in one of our previous videos, and I'm still insisting on it if you didn't take it seriously. If you have a good handwriting, you can actually monetize that too. I love the internet. I really love the internet. People are willing to pay for your handwriting, and it can actually be licensed and sold on platforms like Creative Market. And I know you're wondering, like, why would someone want to pay for my handwriting even though it's so pretty? This is because people want signature writings on their personal brands and websites. And one of the things about it is that people around the world might not think your handwriting is special, but if you think it is, then you should try this out. Number 5. Have you seen views on videos like this and like this? There are people who are struggling to concentrate, who are struggling to sleep, who are struggling to stay at peace. And one thing that really helps out is pre-recorded affirmations and relaxation content. Now, if this is your strong point and it's something you already know how to do, but you don't know how to monetize it, what you can do right now is create the content and you can put it on platforms like Teachable, and people who need it will actually pay you for this.
I know you're scared, you wanna hide away sometimes. I know you heard from everyone telling you lies.
Number 6. If you are someone who loves pretty spaces like I do, then you already know that people like fashionable related sketch work. Here's what you can do. If you know that your artwork is not perfect, but you can sketch well, there are platforms like Printiful that you can sell. Number 7. Now, before Jeff Bezos did us a solid and gave us Amazon KDP, it used to be so hard to make money as an author or as a writer. But now, you can create multiple short stories and I guarantee multiple streams of income from just one platform, Amazon KDP. There is a lot that goes on to be successful with Amazon KDP as an author or a writer. So if you want me to make a whole video explaining how you can make money as an author or a writer on Amazon KDP, let me know on the comment section down below. If I tell you I love Amazon, I am not even kidding. That is why there are 2 Amazon related passive income ideas here. I love journals, but in the Amazon world, they are called low content books. So basically, these books are books that you will just design the cover, but the inside pages are just lines and even other pages are totally blank. And if you understand your work well, it's a good mind for you because all you have to do is to sell it and forget it. Number 9 on our list. If you are good at something, if you have some kind of experience, maybe something that you know because of the kind of work you do, you can actually create an ebook or some kind of downloadable book template and sell it on Gumroad. If this is something you want to do or it's something you've been thinking about and you've been worried about how you can go about it, let me know on the comment section and I can create a video on how you can create an ebook and sell it on Gumroad.
I know you're scared, you wanna hide away sometimes. I know you heard from everyone telling you lies.
Number 10. This is the one that anyone can do anywhere in the world. Now, before we talk about this number 10, if you have had any value from this video, please let me know on the comment section, and please do not forget to click on that like button. It's going to help me to know that these are the kind of content that you all want me to be creating for you on this channel. If you are my returning subscriber, thank you so very much for always supporting the channel. And if this is your first time, do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. If you have spent about 10 minutes on the internet, then I believe you know about Canva. So if you know about Canva, let me know on the comment section because I believe that I know those who are watching me on this channel. So let me know if you know about Canva on the comment section. If you know and can use Canva, you can create a great passive income idea for yourself. I know you would be like, Claudia, what are you talking about? Yes. One thing I consider myself to be is a fake graphic designer. And if you are a fake graphic designer, then there is a lot of money to be made from Canva. People are out there willing to pay real dollars to buy Canva templates on Etsy, but there is an art and a science to right here. And one thing I never want to do is tell you something that I will not teach you how to do it. So if you are right here and you want to learn how to use Canva and create a passive income idea for yourself, then let me know on the comment section. I will actually create a specific video for you, or we're going to have a one-on-one class on how you can actually earn money or create a passive income idea for yourself using Canva on Etsy. I know you have been thinking of monetizing your knowledge, but you don't just see yourself sitting down months after months creating webinars. That's fine. That's completely fine. Come closer. There is an industry secret. There is a platform called Webinar Jam. And with this platform, you create webinar jams just once and you can keep selling it on pilot to whoever you want to sell it to. So you don't have to sit down on Zoom every time you want to monetize your knowledge. No, you can do that passively on Webinar Jam. Number 12 is making money through Adobe Stock. Now I know you know about Adobe Photoshop where you can actually edit your photos, but did you know that you can actually monetize the photos in your camera passively? Now you know. That was just for fun. Number 13 is to sell digital artwork on Etsy. There are so many ways you can monetize your artwork. But if you do not want to sell your artwork on stock or blanket, you can sell downloadable print on Etsy. The last but not the least, you want to be a princess, but you know how to build a website, but you do not want to waste your time to own your own business. You can actually create a website as a template and sell it on platforms like ThemeForest and JotForm.
I know you're scared, you wanna hide away sometimes. I know you heard from everyone telling you lies.
Do not let anyone lie to you. There are so many ways in which you can generate income from the online space. So if you're in a situationship, a relationship, a job, or in a country or whatever it is that you are stuck there because of money, there are other options. By the grace of God, I'm going to be showing up here every other week with side hustle ideas, other means in which you can actually earn money from the online space, and you can leverage on this. Do not let anyone deceive you. Information applied is power. Listening to me and not applying any of this is as good as not listening at all. I am right here for you. If you get stuck anywhere on any of these platforms, let me know on the comment section and I'll be right there to support you or to help you go through with this. Small gigs, big results will never disappoint you. Stay blessed and see you on the next exciting video on how you can use your smartphone to earn money from the online space.